Hey, it's Eagle Runner Bill. Went to take the bikes out to go for a bike ride, and some critter has gotten into my shed and ate my handlebar grips. This one's off, but this is different. I got a gear changer right on the handlebar. I bought these at Walmart, and as you can see, they're a little bit too long. Well, what am I going to do? I'm not going to special order anything, so I'm just going to cut off these old grips, and then I'll cut them new ones to size. And there you go, just pull off the old grip. And now I'm going to take the new ones, line it up, put a little mark on them, get my scissors out and just cut them down to size, see how that works out. Trim them up. You might want to use something else if you want a prettier edge. These scissors don't do that great of a job. But as long as they work and they're comfortable, that's what's important to me. I got them all cut to size. Now let me slide it on and see how it works out. If this is a little bit too hard for you to do, you might want to try some dishwashing soap. Put it on a bar and it ought to lube it up where you can easily press the new grip into place. And that's all there is to it. Get it on there. Adjust it to where the fingers are aligned the way you like them and it feels comfortable to you. And then on the end of these, we have a little end plug that goes in place. Just pull out your end plug out of the packaging. And there it is, and that just pops right in place. Do the other side. Looks pretty good. Looks like a good fit. Do the other side, and there you go. Better than brand new. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.